Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Zanussi brand washing machine and you're getting an E53 error and you're wondering what is this error and how do I get rid of it. The E53 error is a motor error, and you might even notice before you got this error that your machine started shaking or something like this, because when the machine is not able to properly control the electricity that goes to the motor that controls how fast it spins, then you'll get this error. And this is most likely like a control board issue or something like that. Might need to have the control board replaced. You're probably going to need to call a technician to have that done. One thing I would do though, whenever you get these kind of electronic anomaly type errors, is before you call a technician, just do a hard restart on your washing machine. And sometimes it'll clear these out. Well, it will clear it out, and sometimes they won't come back. So what you're going to do is you're just going to turn it off and then disconnect it from power completely. So either unplug it from the wall or turn it off at the circuit, leave it off for a full minute, then restore power to it and see if the error doesn't, and try to run a cycle and see if the error doesn't come back. At that point, if it does come back, you're probably going to need to call a technician to take a look at it. But anyways, I hope this video helped you at least figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.